Hey, it's Happy Hunter Howie from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I want to give a shout out to Root Assassin Shovels for making a great product, because if it wasn't for their tools, I wouldn't be able to get the job done that I'm working on today. Look here, I had to remove this dead tree. That's probably more than 100 pounds there. Had to drag it across the road. Let me show you the hole that I've been digging here. I got this done in less than 30 minutes. I was able to use the Root Assassin root killer there, and also the Root Assassin one-shot shovel. Look how deep that hole is. I dug all this dirt out. They're going to plant a new tree, but I was able to save the sod here, cut all those chunks out, and dig that hole using both of those shovels in less than 30 minutes. So just want to thank you for putting out a good product. And if you want to get your jobs done in your yard with efficiency and get her done, get the Root Assassin shovels. Thank you.